This video walks you through how to change your mailing address in TurboTax. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return where you want to update your details. After the return loads, stay on the main workspace so you can access the personal information area connected to that file. If you have more than one return or account, make sure you are in the correct one before moving forward, since the change needs to be made in the return you currently have open. Once you are inside the return, look to the left-hand menu and click My Info. This section is where TurboTax stores the personal details linked to your tax profile. After you select it, the personal profile page will open. Give the page a moment to finish loading if needed, then scroll down until you reach the Address and Phone section. In that section, find the option labeled Review Edit next to Address. Depending on what version or screen view you are seeing, the button may appear as Revisit instead. Either option will take you to the same place, which is the part of your profile where your mailing address can be updated. Click that link to open the address details. Now enter your current mailing address information. Update the street address first, then confirm the city, state, and zip code fields. Make sure each field reflects the mailing address you want TurboTax to use. This is a good time to check for small typing errors, especially in the zip code or apartment information if your address includes it. Enter only the information for your mailing address and avoid leaving outdated details in any of the address fields. After you have updated the address, pause for a moment and review everything on the screen. Read through the street address, city, state, and zip code one more time to make sure the information is accurate and complete. If anything looks off, correct it before saving. A quick review here helps avoid having the wrong mailing address attached to your return. When the information looks correct, click Continue. That saves the updated mailing address in your TurboTax personal profile for the return you have open. Wait briefly if TurboTax needs a moment to process the update, then continue once the page moves forward. At that point, the address change has been saved, and your mailing details in TurboTax will reflect the update you entered. If you are reviewing other personal information in the same section, make sure you do not change anything else unless needed, since this step is only for updating the mailing address. Your mailing address in TurboTax is now updated and saved.